John Concha coming to you from, actually I don't even know where I'm at. We're going to New York though. We're going to go pick up a car today. It's a 1992 Suzuki Swift. And today I have Marcus with me, which is a camera guy right now. So
what's up?
He's going to help me get this car. We're going to go pick it up from New York, Rochester, New York, which is about 5.5 hours from Philadelphia. And then we're going to take it back. Now the thing with this car is the car does not run, does not start. It's been sitting here for 7 years. And we're going to pick it up and see if we can get it running. Maybe tomorrow or the next day. So keep watching this video and you're going to come with us along for the ride.
I'm following you.
Alright guys, so we're here, we're picking up the Suzuki Swift. And once we get it out of here, I'm going to make a little bit more videos to show you guys. Alright? Alright guys, so we're on a mission to try to get the Suzuki Swift up on the trailer. So we'll see how this goes. The seller, he's going to help us out with his truck to use it as a winch. And here he comes. But here is the Suzuki. Mark is going to steer. I'm going to make sure everything goes smooth. Alright.
Dude, I don't know how my right looks.
You're good.
Check your right, check your right.
You're good. Go that way a little bit. To your left.
Good?
Left. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going.
Yo, keep going.
Keep going, you're good. Keep going.
Straight?
Keep going. Yep, straight, straight, straight. Keep going. Straight, keep going. Keep going.
Yo, make sure we don't drop.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You got a loop to go over and then you stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right, stop. Perfect. All right guys, and there you have it. The car is on the truck. This is the 1994 Suzuki Swift we picked up today, the GT model with the 1.3 twin cam. It is dirty, so we're gonna wash it up, see how it is. But there you have it guys. Whew, all the way over here in New York, upstate New York, to pick up this car. And this guy over here, Marcus, he's a co-worker of mine. He did a really good job being a co-driver to come up all the way up here on a Sunday on this day off. So there's the car. There's the awesome F-150. It's going to tow it back to Philly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. More videos on this car coming soon. All right guys, take care. So we're now in the car. You probably can't even see me right now, but there you go. Thanks, Marcus. So check this out. We are 5 hours 6 minutes away. Look at that, 348 miles away, and we'll be home at midnight. Actually 12:52, 51. We just gained a minute because race car. You guys probably can't see the car in the back, but there it is in the mirror. But all right, guys, keep watching the video. All right, guys, so we're making a technical stop here. We are only about 10 miles away from the location where we got the car, but we're stopping to make sure that everything is good with the trailer, make sure everything's good with the car. So let's go check it out.
For 63 miles, continue straight.
All right, guys, so we just finished checking the car, make sure everything's good. Everything looks good, but we're just gonna do another view at the Suzuki so you guys can see it.
Close the mirror.
What's that? No, open it. It looks better open. What is that? Actually, let's look at the inside. I didn't show you guys the inside yet. It's locked. Never mind. We locked it. Look at that beauty, Suzuki Swift GT. All right, let's continue on the trip. Hey guys, by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. John Concha on YouTube. All right, let's keep on going. So we just made a pit stop at Burger King. We still have 4 hours and 37 minutes to go. Quick pit stops are so Marcus can eat. You got anything to say to the camera?
All I wanted was 2 sandwiches for $7, but I paid $12 for one.
So guys, so in Philadelphia, Burger King has different promotions to where you can buy 2 Whoppers for $6 or whatever, $7. He didn't know that at rest stops, you can't get the deals like in Philly. so he had to go and buy a meal, and it was like 18 bucks. How much was his meal? $12 for a meal. How much did that eat in Philly?
The meal? Probably like 8.
So then you're not too far off.
Yeah, but I could have got 2 sandwiches.
Wait, tell us what happened when you ordered two sandwiches.
I came up there happy. How may I help you, sir? Yeah, can I get a 2 for 6 Whopper? I'm telling them everything. I don't want cheese on this. He's like, yeah, we don't do that here. I'm like, you could have stopped me.
I wasn't around because I forgot my wallet in the car. I had to go get my wallet. If not, I would have filmed it. Oh, by the way, while we're here, this guy, he likes to fight with my GPS. GPS would say turn left.
You turn left.
He's like, no, you turn left. I guess you have to be there to laugh. What else you got for the camera?
Nothing. The race car.
What car do you want to buy?
Pontiac GT.
Why?
Street car.
You know, people are going to be watching us eat on YouTube. Man could eat.
I'm always eating.
Alright guys, so we finished eating. Time to go home now. We got another 4.5 hours to go. Alright. You can never go wrong with Burger King. Burger King was good. But now it's time to go. Alright, got my lid. Yeah, I'm gonna go too.
Don't hit none.
Alright, so it's time to gas up. We're almost home. We are about an hour away. Getting gas on the truck, and here's the Suzuki again. I know you guys want to see the Suzuki, so here it is. Let's do one more lap, one more walk around. This guy here, we gotta fix that issue right there. But here is the Suzuki. So far, so good. A little bit dirty because it's been sitting for about 7 years, but nice and clean body. Although I did find the dent over here.
Let me clean this.
Oh, you're doing a good job already, so.
No, seriously.
We found a couple dents right here. That's not good. Actually, what's this say over here? 618. Should we pop the hood here? Nah, I don't want to pop the hood here. Not yet. Oh, whoa.
Shit, picture time. Oh, dang. Gotta edit that.
Guys, look at that. And it still has the original factory. What do you call that?
What? Where?
The black piece.
What? I don't know.
The fire resistant protector. Alright, go ahead, take a selfie.
Nah,
Look at this.
I got it in portrait mode, so I got to come all the way out here. Hold on,
Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Hold on, my guy.
Dude, you
portrait
have.
mode is the best mode.
Go. Look at this guy taking pictures over here.
Showing love for your car. I don't even do Japanese cars. I see the man.
I told you, dude. It's missing the intake. The headers.
Ah!
That's alright. We'll figure out a way to get this car started. But
I mean,
thoughts, comments. What can you possibly be looking for? What's this guy looking for? Do you even know what you're looking at?
your thing is like $50.
I know.
$50, my guy. Oh, are you gonna have one of the hoods that be like this?
No way.
That's not stupid.
Oh, Snapple. All right. So, $50. What did you find? You found the problem?
I wanted to find the belt.
You found why it doesn't start?
No, I wanted to see how good the belt was. Show them the exhaust.
the spark plug's there. We'll get this guy running. It's all right, no problem.
Wait. Where's shipping?
Oh, look at that. It's a beauty.
Dude. Yeah, so it's right here.
What's that? Throttle body?
Yeah, but there we go. All right.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Dude, and I actually, let's get the stock air intake. Everything's stock. This car's not even modified. But look at this beauty. Original.
I'm scared with the fucking.
Hey, no cursing. Smells good?
I keep forgetting not to curse.
It smells good. Alright, well, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. You make sure you do you. The car's unlocked. Just watch it.
Oh, yo, we probably should have had this down all the way.
Probably.
No, the truck, because the truck downforce, the truck takes all of it, so the car gets, the side of the car gets it, not the hood.
You're saying just in case the hood goes like boom?
Yeah, it won't happen.
The hood's boom.
The truck is right here. It's right here.
Is it locked now? Alright.
It doesn't lock.
It doesn't lock, he says. Rookie. Did you lock it? Keep trying. Come on, I thought you were a master mechanic. You got it? Alright, I'll be there to check it out. Alright, bathroom break. I'll be right back. Alright, so that was a quick pit stop right there. Now my guy's saying over here he can't close the hood on my Suzuki. Let's go see what's going on with that. Yo, is the latch there?
Sort of. Don't do it.
Alright, I'm gonna go check it out right now.
If I can find this latch.
Oh, you can? Let's see what's going on here. Actually, yo, don't shake the truck. Don't shake the truck. Well, just let you know the GoPro's in the truck. Alright, if I get this closed, what's in it for me? I think he's right. Oh, you know what? You have a screwdriver or a flathead or something?
Car's not here. I don't got
You have anything, a key?
I'm afraid this is my emergency get in the trunk key. If I ever get locked out again. Pontiac key.
How about the house key? You can't get in the house? Yeah, I don't want to break your house key. Alright, well, we'll figure that out tomorrow. Well, that's going to be a problem, yo, because now it doesn't go all the way down.
We gotta get you some bigger turbos.
Trying to find a screwdriver, but I can't find one, so I don't know what I'm going to do. Let's keep playing with this thing. Yeah, but actually, it is going to hold it. We're going to leave it like that for now. We'll figure out something tomorrow. Alright guys, we're going to continue the trip back home and make it to Philly. Right now it is 12:52. 12:52.
Got this again forward.
Huh?
Why do you have an access port for the forward?
That's for the Fiesta. That's for the ST. Whew! Alright, let's keep on going. We're trying to figure out how to get out of here, but
hit the ice.
it's all foggy. Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, let me hit the ice real quick. Yo, no
the
shit.
bigger.
I thought I was gonna say somebody was following me. It's my car. Look at all these trucks here. Nah, stop, chill, yo.
Wait, why you turn the steering wheel like that was going to move it away from you?
I thought,
The steering wheel is still there.
dude, I thought there was a car so close to me.
Shut up. I'm not going to lie. I forgot we was told.
Actually, let me do this real quick.
So I'm like, why is he up?
Hi, Suzuki. All right, let's keep on going. Yeah, I was like, why are you following me so close?
You should have been home at 12:51.
Yeah, I know. Well, if you didn't stop at Burger King and order 2 Whoppers.
I didn't even get to it. These are LEDs.
Yeah, I can see all of us.
Okay, you got jokers. 2 hands on the wheel.
It says 219 will be home now. It's all right. It's all good. All right. By the way, it's beautiful outside. I have the window. I just said it's beautiful outside. What are you cold? Oh my God. You got a baby in the car. You gotta put the window up.
I've never been like this, so I'm not trying to hear that. You don't even know me.
All right. Let's keep on going.
Keep on trucking.
Keep on trucking.
Gotta take the handbrake off? I didn't know if you were ready.
The wraps are good?
Yeah.
You just let it go. It's not gonna go anywhere. The wheel's straight.
Come on, don't stop.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Look at that. You made it to Philly, baby. Woo! Want to back it up or want to push it forward?
I don't know. Wait till we get to the gravel. Stay there. That'd be funny
What?
if I lost my car key.
All right, baby. Good night. Time to pack up the trailer.
I can't wait to hear Mike read.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Simply type in John Concha, hit subscribe, and hit the bell.